So, a very good morning from KDS, and today a little bit of something I want to share with you. It's obviously approaching Christmas, and over the years the orange, the humble orange, has become a real sort of associated motif with Christmas. Often you find them in stockings, little stocking filler presents, and we must have been quite good this year because, well, we'll come to these in a second, but how's about that for a big pile of stocking filling oranges? We've had a little order from Lake Country come through, and a variety of pads have arrived. Not just microfibers and foam pads, but also Shaun the Sheep and Count from Sesame Street. Speaking of Count, anyway.
Morning guys, morning. So obviously you know I work for Lake Country Manufacturing as a brand ambassador. Reason I'm here today to show you a little video is this is some of the extensive range, and obviously it could be very confusing. We're going to put a link to this very intensive catalogue. It's 53 pages, but it goes up to 48 when it comes to the chart for aggressiveness and all the pads in here. So they've got a massive range of pads, which could be very, very confusing. So I'm here to help you sort of simplify what's going on. So I'm going to use just one example of a pad here to show you how we're going to try and help with future videos. This pad, you can see we've used it. It's got some wear and tear. It's been heavily used. Now, it says it's a finishing pad. It says here, final finishing pad. It is a final finishing pad. Anyone that's a detailer will be able to tell from its construction how soft it is, how flexible it is. It's a finishing pad. But it's interesting, if you come over here to look in this catalogue, it actually says it's a waxing pad. Now, obviously waxing is finishing, but so it could be a slight confusion. We use this with a very light finishing cut, so it's actually a compound to give the gloss and the shine and reflection and wetness that we get on our cars. So that's also finishing. You could technically say waxing is finishing. So around here on the screen, we've just chosen 4 suppliers in the UK of Lake Country Manufacturing. They also call it a waxing pad, so be careful. You might want to actually buy a really, really high quality finishing pad to give you the best possible finish with a cut. And you would actually think, well, it says waxing. It says on the catalogue waxing, it says on there waxing. We use it with a very light cutting compound to give us the best possible gloss. It's a finishing pad. So you can see just that one confusion there. It says waxing there, finishing there, waxing on a website. So I'm here for the future, including the shops, to do videos for retailers, videos for you as a consumer. We're not just going to do videos talking about what it is. We're going to actually show it being polished and used. And then we're going to sort of explain gradually just some of this range. I have more. I've chosen more popular here. Count from Sesame Street, as Jay's just said, comically. But it's a wall pad. Obviously, we know that's a wall pad for cutting. So we've got some other types of wall pads. You see quite a lot there. And there is more I have here. I've just chosen what I believe would be very popular in the UK and Europe. So obviously, you see there's an extensive range. So my purpose and what we're going to do here is KDS Kel-Tec. We're going to try and show you the best possible methods for every single pad here to get the best possible finishes. It's really to help you as a consumer achieve your goals. So we'll finalise up with, these look very similar. One says HDO, one says SDO. Same profile, face profile, they've got the same foam technology on the face. One of them has an interface pad at the back, one hasn't. So one's more dense on the backing plate. So they've got different purposes for different reasons, but they look the same as these oranges over here. So in actual fact, all of these oranges over here are HDO pads, they're not SDO. So what we're going to do, we thought to make some fun out of this, why don't we do a little bit of a competition as well. We're going to link this at the bottom of this video and the connections. We're going to have a little competition, count, i.e. guess, the amount of pads in that pile. This won't be this video, it's just a pre-warning. Have a look as many times as you can and try and guess. We will show them again. We're going to do a count, and then the idea is whoever gets the closest will select some pads in this sort of range. And it's a giveaway, but obviously we'll have to talk to Lake Country Manufacturing because we're in the UK. We're going to be sending these direct from KDS Kel-Tec in the UK. So keep your eyes peeled because we will be doing some competitions, very simple ones, as I say, counting the amount of oranges we have out of Santa's sack. So don't forget to like, share, smash that bell, and keep on watching. Thank you for watching. I'm Kelly Harris from KDS Kel-Tec. Goodbye.